Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide date and time from the taskbar in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and after that you need to open settings. Then from the left panel we need to go to time and language settings, and here we need to open date and time zones, automatic clock settings, and calendar display. We need to open these options by clicking on this arrow. And now we need to find here this option, show time and date in the system tray. Turn this off to hide your time and date information on the taskbar. So if I will click on this white dot, the time and date will be successfully hidden in the taskbar. Of course, if you want to enable it again, you need to click on this black dot one more time, and then it will be enabled, yeah? So in this way you can disable or enable date and time in taskbar in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.